Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Shein account on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, depending on whatever device you are on, and simply go ahead and search for Shein just like that. Once you've done that, all you need to do is tap on this application, download and install it. And once you've installed it, simply tap on the open button. Once you've opened it, you're going to be on this page right over here. On the bottom right, there is going to be a Me tab that you can simply tap on, and on the top left, as you can see, there is a sign in / register button. Simply tap on that, and now if you want to simply go ahead and continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple, you can tap on any of those options, or you could just enter your email or phone number, click on continue. They're going to ask you to create a password, and they're also going to ask you to verify your email by sending you a code. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.